Hi, I'm BJ with Southern Comfort Mechanical. It's that time of year to check out your heater, make sure it's safe for you and your house. Some of the things that we do to make sure that it's proper is we go through your safety controls. They're throughout the system. They stop the system from running and prevents it from having flame burns, overheating, those types of things that make more damage to the system. The other thing we do is we pull out your flame sensor and clean it up with a steel wool so it doesn't damage it and it stays longevity. That's a device that recognizes the flame and keeps it burning so you don't have raw gas going into the system, and then when it fires off you got low flames. Some of the other things we do is go through the exhaust, make sure that you don't have any leaks. I don't know if you can see that up above, but it's a little gap there which would leak carbon monoxide. That is a silent gas that is harmful for you. You won't know it until you're dizzy and sick. The other thing we want to do is make sure that it's safe for your house, and so it's that time of year, so let's give us a call and we can get your house up and running.